Hey guys, our 2017 Avalanche Gray GT350 has arrived. Let's check it out. Our 2017 Shelby GT350 in Avalanche Gray over here to an abandoned gas station just because this car is bringing so much attention. I want to get it by myself where I can spend a little time with it. We're going to do a little drive-bys, do some exhaust notes for you. Nothing that's going to bore you today, just show you a phenomenal car. Here for sale at Murdock Superstore in Lavonia, Georgia. 526 horsepower, guys. 5.2 liter Voodoo V8 flat plane crank. I'll put a link below that goes to a video to describe the flat plane crank better than I can, but essentially it's an incredible technology that makes for a more efficient, more powerful engine. Huge Brembos, cup tires, love the spoiler, color sets it off, painted roof. Good look at the window sticker. We'll be very generous with our pricing as well. Dealing with me directly, Neal Sheppard at Murdock Superstores. Let's go have some fun, guys. So I'm doing my video of this vehicle here and the law pulls up. Look at here. It's my buddy though, it's my buddy Tim. He's just checking it out. But I got admirers from everywhere checking out our car. Just a phenomenal track star, 5-tool player, what I like to call it. It can do it all, it can handle. It's got the performance, the looks, of course. I mean, look at this front end. Does that just not want to just pounce on you? That just looks phenomenal. Let's get a good walk around here. Avalanche Gray, I love the color. Look at those rotors, guys. Brembo brakes, Michelin Super Sport tires, cup tires. Handles like a dream. Spoiler, our active exhaust, which you're about to hear. Okay guys, inside of our 2017 Shelby GT350. We'll take it for a test drive. Alcantara steering, just feels amazing. Let's crank her up. Got our exhaust valves closed currently. Let's open them, see if we hear a difference in the interior volume noise. Normal. Let's go back, listen. Instantly shuts it off. Go back to sport. Little rev. Let's take it for a little drive. I'm so lucky to be able to video these vehicles and bring them to you guys, but you know, just from an avid muscle car enthusiast, this is just a rare occasion that I truly love. All right, so our our active exhaust valves are currently shut off. Give you an example of how it sounds inside the cabin. Shift's just so tight. Now we're going to open them up. Oh yeah. Exhaust valves are off in 4th gear. Could be a great daily driver. Not loud at all. Let's go back to sport. Downshift to 3rd. And the beast is awake again. The flat prime crank is I truly hope you enjoyed my video on our 2017 Shelby GT350. If you have any questions or comments, please leave below. Like and subscribe as well. This Shelby is available. Neal Sheppard, 706-491-4114. At Murdock Superstore in Lavonia, Georgia. We're just a family-owned and operated business. Here to help you any way we can.